Well, what you doing, tubers? I'm trying to fight this wind over here. I've been doing a little bit of, well, more like attempting to do a little bit of car repair, but just don't have the equipment to do it, sadly. But anyway, we're gonna put some back in it now. And yeah, I'll show you what we're trying to do here, if I can get the camera to work right for me. Put the soda water down and I'll turn it right back around. Hold on 1 second. Okay, there we go. I've been trying to put a different oil pan in this car here. It's got another very bad leak, but a medium, small to medium leak, I guess you'd call it, or something. Anyway, I have been working up here for about, I don't know, at least an hour and a half. I even dig it out right here and right over there. This car is too low to start right here on the ramp. So, get the jack out, went over there under the frame under there. Not the car frame, but the motor frame there, and jacked it up. I got the motor up to right here. Still couldn't get on there. So I went down there and told her I couldn't get it on there. And I was thinking all kinds of different grades of different things to do. I even thought about getting a forklift for the tractor and putting it on there and lifting it up. That wouldn't work either because I'd hit the not cross member, but the for the tires, whatever they're called. So anyway, we gotta put some oil in her. Make sure it wasn't no white stuff in it, because that would mean it has water in it from somewhere. But anyway, that's what we tried to do, and scratched the shit out of it a minute ago. From what, I had no idea. Didn't hear it. So anyway, get this done here, and then we're gonna we'll get back to you in a little bit. There you go. Put your car up there, and you think you can see where it's been? No. Yeah, whatever. Like I said, I dug at those ditches out there and trying to get the things to go down in it, but it didn't do it. Don't want no copyright. Anyway, you probably hadn't seen the red bike any, and we're working on it. Well, I am. I just put some motor spacers in it. Well, actually, about 60 bazillion carburetor. I was looking at carburetor. Sorry. About 1,060,000 washers in it, and I don't know if anybody recalls, but there's a motor out there on the shelf. It's one I was gonna put on my bike, but it's done, and the carburetor's freaked up. Anyway, that's the carburetor that was on there. I'll show you the motor in a minute. If it'll focus here. There you go. All grimy. That side's worse. Anyway, see what else. That's about it right here for now. I got a tiller I need to see if I can get one. One right there. Yeah, right there. And all the things wrong with it is the I think the electrode's bad. The electrode is bad in it. And I found one over here. I don't know if it'll fit, but it's worth trying. And see if we get the little thing running. I mean, it's just a DBO filler. It ain't very much. Let's see it. That one go in there? Yeah, right there's the thing of it. Anyway. Yeah, I'm sitting here looking at it, and that's the spark plug wire. Yeah, I think I've seen its better days. And I put another one on it. Yeah, I'd see right here. I put another one on it already, and it didn't. I don't think it worked. I can't remember what all I've done to it. I may also put this other one on it too. The one I just showed you a minute ago. That one. Oh, it's crinkled. Looks like the wire was burnt on it, but it's not. But anyway, same old shit, different days around here. As you can see, it's bright and pretty. But it's bright and cloudy more like it. Yeah, not much to show you when it's like this, and home for a little while, and then back at her again. Anyway, I thought I'd come on here and tell y'all what's going on. As always, nothing fascinating but tearing up shit and digging holes, trying to make stuff work, and it don't work. Anyway, hope y'all have a good, and I'll go ahead and run this video for you, and the way she goes. Y'all have a good.